Hey, what's up?
Hola.
Phoenix, and that's Toxic, and I'm still sick. Yeah, so, just wanted to say hi to you guys. Yeah, she's a dork. What was I gonna say?
I don't know. You didn't tell me what you were gonna say. You just played it. Well,
So we're gonna talk about videos we're gonna do. So
are you really
we're
gonna edit that out?
Yes, I am.
Which part?
Will you stop interrupting me?
Don't be so loud.
We're gonna do our videos. It's gonna be, we have the schedule up here on the computer, just look at it. Mondays, we're gonna do cute animals, because animals are cute. Cute animals are cute. So, yeah. Like, send links to videos of cute animals, and we will, well, I will feature them. So, because, yeah, I like cute animals. Might even do pictures of cute animals, too, because just the cuteness of it all. On Tuesdays, because Toxic here is such a huge fan of Ray William Johnson, and she loves how he does the viral videos. She wants to do non-viral videos.
Because I want to help you people, because we love each other. Yep, we do. We are each other.
Yeah. She wants to do videos for, like, if you have a video that you think could go viral, but it's not going viral, send it to her, she'll review it, and talk about it, and, yeah. So she wants to help non-viral videos get viral, if they're worthy of being viral. Wednesday, it's Random Stuffs. That's right, STUFFS, Stuffs.
Because we like stuffs that are stuffs.
Yes. It will pretty much be us doing skits, doing random stuff.
Random stuffs!
Being our usual dorky selves. Don't be allowed to with my kids.
Dorky?
Or if you guys want, you could send us suggestions of what to do on Wednesdays. Just nothing outrageous out there or anything like that. Just like, you know.
Yeah, like we can't drink a bottle of ketchup because, well, we use ketchup for more important things, and I don't even think we have enough, like, trash cans or anything to actually vomit in if that ever came up, so, yeah.
And nothing illegal, just, like, legal stuff that's cool and fun and clean, wholesome fun, you know? Wholesome fun, yeah.
We can't drive off cars, because neither of us really know how to drive that well.
I can drive, I just don't drive, because, yeah.
You almost hit a wall last time you drove, and I almost hit a hobo.
It's pronounced drove, not drived.
Oh, drove.
Yeah. Okay, Thursdays, my vlog. And that's just gonna be me talking about, Thursdays, my vlog, and it'll be me doing stuffs. Yeah, so, I'm not sure what'll be in there yet, but, yeah.
You know, you sound like a total bunny saying that, right? My stuffs.
Okay, not like that, but like,
My stuffs.
doing videos, like, yeah, just vlogging.
Vlogger.
And Fridays is Toxic's Rants.
I could have said that, you know, because, like,
start your weekends off with a good, healthy dose of poisonous negative energy.
Totally, because rants are the future, and we love our future. Oh, am I lying? Yeah, but my rants are going to be awesome.
Yeah.
They're going to be really cool, so yeah, you should check them out, because I'm only going to rant about the best. Like, horrible movies. Stuff. Yeah.
Okay. And
Doctor Who!
Yes, Doctor Who's the best. On Saturdays, we will be doing...
Do you really need to tell them what's going to be happening on Saturdays and Sundays? Cause
yeah, I think so. I think it'd be nice.
Are you sure? Because, I mean, it's like... It's not like we're going to be posting anything on Saturdays and Sundays.
Well, okay, we're not posting anything on Saturdays and Sundays. Saturdays, we will look through any, like, links we get or emails to the Toxic Phoenix 9 account, toxicphoenix9@gmail.com.
We'll put it in the description below.
Yeah. So, and we'll go through that, and Toxic will do her vids we'll work on our vids that day because I have schoolwork to do. That is always due on Saturday, so I have to turn it in on Saturday, so it's more important. Sundays I'll be editing, which is like just cutting out all the icky, gross, non-usable stuff, and
like what we're getting to in this video.
Yeah, we're gonna edit the video. All the icky, gross stuff, and showing my video and editing all the icky, gross stuff. My videos.
And my videos, because I don't know how to edit out of my videos.
Of course, we're gonna edit your video stuff.
Yay!
Okay, and then we're gonna try to do it every week, but we're both in school, college and high school, so try to get them done every week. But if we can't, sorry. But again, school, and that's more important than actually doing the videos. Yeah, even though you guys are really important and really awesome, if you watch and subscribe.
You 7 people that are on our friends list.
Yeah, and you, what, 2? 3 people? Wait, we're 2 of those people, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, you 1 person who's subscribed so far. Because we don't count, because, yeah, it's our page, and subscribe to ourselves, so. Okay, so, and hopefully over time we'll hopefully get a better camera than the webcam on my laptop, because...
Oh, I was gonna get one, except they were all grainy.
Yeah. Well, digital camcorder would be best, so, yeah.
Okay. I have a camcorder.
So, peace out.
Peace.